welcome back to a brand new video, guys. So this video will actually not be about Minecraft. It'll be about Scratch. So if you guys don't know Scratch, it is a coding website that allows you to make games and animations and some really cool stuff like that. Now, if you use Scratch, you probably come across a platformer that allows your player to do that or jump. However, you've been messing around with it and then never worked. So how do you add gravity to your game? And most important of all, how do you jump? So you guys might look like a lot of code, but no worries, it's not going to be that hard. Also, this extra stuff down here is just how he moves back and forth. You don't have to worry about that. This is not included in what we're doing today. So anyway, if we zoom in on our unseeable code and make it seeable again like it is right now, then we can do this. So you're going to do one click. Obviously always start with one click and then point in direction 90. You should always do that unless you want your player to be looking down and stay like that forever, or like be upside down and be like that forever. Just do point in direction 90. Then after point in direction 90, you're going to do a forever loop that goes all the way down to here. And that forever loop is surrounding the if loop that will go all the way down here. There's seriously so much code that my computer is lagging. Anyway, so you're going to put if key up arrow pressed, then, so you're going to put key up arrow, well actually, it doesn't have to be up arrow, it can be W or space, or anything that you want to make your player jump with. I'm just doing up arrow right now because I'm building a platformer game, but I decided to make a little video off my platformer game. After that, we will do change Y by 10. Wait 0.01 seconds. Change Y by 9. Wait 0.01 seconds. Change Y by 8. So on until you reach, wait 0.01 seconds. Change Y by 1. So you're going to go from 10 to 1. And then notice how here there's no 0 before the 1. It's just 0.1. So he's in the air for a little bit longer. And then change Y by -1. Wait 0.01 seconds. Change Y by -2. Wait 0.01 seconds. Change Y by -3. So on until you reach change Y by -10. And if you took the time to do all this code, which it did take me kind of a long time, no, it actually took me like 2 minutes. When you press your jump key, you have gravity. Now I'll be covering how to make it. So I'll be covering how to make it to where you can't go under the ground. So I'll be covering how to make it not be able to go underground, like you could see it is doing right here. I'll be covering that in another video, but anyways guys, thanks for watching. I hope you have a really fantastic day. I know this video was kind of short and you guys like long YouTube videos, but this wasn't meant to be a movie, okay? This is just a short video, a short explanation about how to make your player jump.